Hi everybody. Yes, this is my voice law. Today we're gonna play some Roblox. Yes. Guess one of my friends is online. Huh? Stop it. Not now. I'm not going to friend anybody because I'm only allowed to friend the people I know. It was a dare. Lol. So today let's play some Murder Mystery. Woohoo! So I'm gonna leave because I want to change my outfit. Just wait. There. This is my troll outfit. I am a troll in this outfit. So if you see this outfit anywhere, the name is Angel Gore. That's me. But I'm gonna become a fairy. Let's just check this very quick. Very cute. Oh my god, it's so cute. So preppy, and I love this hair. So I dressed up as a fairy because I am a fairy. Yeah. So let's just check spectate. Let's go, we won! Well, I guess we didn't really. Let's really hope that I am murderer or sheriff. I will absolutely make a part 2 of this. Absolutely. Okay, let's do bank. I really like do bank. E-teamers. Bro, you're the E one. Oh, teamers. Oh. Oh. Okay. Okay, let's see what I get. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna hide for a second. I'm gonna change where I'm gaming. No one will find me here with my fairy wings. Just gonna stand right here. Okay, let's move to a different spot. The game. Because my phone is at 20%. It needs charge. There's the remote, and I am just hiding. I'm probably gonna hide for the whole time. Not. But really, I'm probably just gonna look for it. My chair is so high. Oh my gosh. So, okay. Let's play. So, let's get out of here. Let me out. Cool, some bouncy balls. Beach balls are bouncy balls. Comment. But let's just go collect stuff. They did. Murderer's down there. Not dealing with her. Because I know who murderer is now. Oh my god, that's probably sheriff. Or she's sheriff. I don't know who this girl is. And I'm very scared to jump down.
Okay, I'm just telling you that you keep talking and I'm telling you I gotta pee.
So, oh no.
Uh-huh.
I'm playing. Oh god. Nope. Aw, dang it. Died. Okay, so just see that. Ooh, it's a really cool looking gun. I really want this. I really want the popsicle one. Popsicle. Okay. What about the music, hey? This is the murderer. She's actually really cute. I love her outfit. Emo. I'm in love with emo girl. I'm making a video. Yeah. So we're gonna spectate this dude. Okay, who is sheriff? How am I able to spectate? Oh, I can see me. You can freaking see me.
Who are you talking to?
I'm making a video.
Oh, okay, sorry.
I'm actually gonna probably redo it though.